fun. Alright guys, today on Lex the Wrench, I've got my little girl, Izzy.
Hello.
We're gonna work on the Pontiac Fiero. We're gonna get the engine frame into the garage and clean it up, and Izzy is actually gonna tear the whole engine apart on her own. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. So what do you think? Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Yeah?
By the way, I did not know that this thing has been sitting for 25 years.
Yes, this car has been sitting for 25
and
years.
And if me and my dad move, you can see how dirty it is.
Yeah, it's pretty dirty. So, all right, stay tuned. We're gonna have some fun with this one. Yeah, I wait.
Oh, okay. Time to actually. I'm gonna start like getting all the dirt out from the tires.
Well, no, if you've already got that one all loosened up, come and loosen these up over here. Man, you still gotta do it, dude. You wanna work on this thing or not?
No.
Okay, then don't work on it.
But I do want to work on it.
All right then, quit your whining.
You. I'm not whining.
I'm not whining.
You're whining.
You're whining.
You're whining.
You're whining.
To lift the motor, and my dad's gonna be cleaning under it, and so now after that I think we're gonna start bringing it in. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do right now.
We're unloading the suspension, so which is okay because we're going to put a couple stands underneath the cradle. Why don't you grab the red ones?
Red ones?
Yep.
What red ones? Red ones?
The red ones are right in front of your face.
These aren't red. Okay, they're nope, they're orange, just red.
Neener, neener, neener.
I scared Lily.
Be nice to my dog.
Huh?
I said be nice to my dog.
Never.
Let's put this one on the other side.
This one hurts more than that one.
What?
It hurts.
What hurts?
Nothing, because I'm just playing.
Okay, go ahead and let it down. Slow. So what I'm doing is pretty much I'm taking the engine cradle, I'm leveling it off, and that will allow me to unload the suspension, and then I'll be able to take the wheels off, and yay! Once I take the wheels off, then I can take the shocks off, and then I can roll it in to the shop.
Finally!
Alright guys, I'm taking a break because I am in need of a break. Thank you guys. We'll be back in a little bit if I can rest up. So here we go. Alright, we're back. and we're getting back to work on this.
I figured out how to take the thing off of this, so now we just have the solid bar,
Awesome.
which is very tough.
Okay.
Our normal jack,
Your what?
the sucky jack.
The sucky jack?
Yeah, this one sucks compared to that.
Yeah, okay. It's the sucky jack.
And the heavy jack.
Come on, bring it.
It's heavy.
It's not as heavy as that one.
I don't care. I've never had to lift that one up before.
I bring it close up to me. Thank you. All right, let's lift it. Arm
This is how you make a mega extension.
up.
Oh, wrong way. It's supposed to go like this.
All right.
Never mind.
Come on. Today, Junior.
Daddy.
All right, here we go. Lift this up. And voila. Just like that, we have a free wheel. Ah.
And now I'm gonna loosen everything up.
Yep. All right, so grab the 17. It's right over, or actually it's a 19. It's right over there by the brushes. I feel like a pointer dog. Boing! Taking that off, okay? You're gonna need the adapter to go down, okay? Which is right over here. You need the 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter. Ta-da! Just like that.
Oh no!
No!
It's rolling! It's escaping!
Alright, there we go. Alright, so while you're doing that,
While you're doing that, I'm gonna go poop.
Really?
Yep.
Really? You're gonna poop?
That had to make it into the video.
How old are you?
I am 2 years old.
Ah, it seems like it.
Pretty quiet.
Hurry up, yo. Hurry up, you're going too slow.
Am I twisting the wrong way?
What's that? I don't know, you tell me. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
I'm going left.
I'm going, left, to
You don't.
loosey. Watch this, ready?
You just got dust all over your pants.
It's the strut dab. Ready? The strut dab.
Dad's not good at dabs.
Oh.
So we're about to bring in the motor, and then after we bring in the motor, I am going to start taking it apart. Let's get to it.
And just like that, we're now ready to move this out. Now, some of you might be thinking I'm doing this the absolute hardest way possible. Well, you're right. That's why I'm not teaching you how to do it this way, because this is the absolute wrong way to do it. But when you're a broke ass builder, you gotta do what you gotta do with what you've got, as long as you're doing it safely. And that's the biggest thing. I'm doing it all safe. You know, I've got years of experience. You know, unfortunately not years of experience doing shade tree stuff like this, so it is kind of sketchy for me too, but you know, hey, I gotta do what I gotta do. Izzy did get hurt. I'll post some pictures up right here. She did get hurt. You can also check it out on my Instagram at Lex the Wrench on Instagram. You can see the photos of her. She did good. She did good. She didn't cry too much, and she held up like a trooper. I'm very proud of her.